So welcome back to Outdoors with the Morgans. Just starting the day off here, putting some firewood baskets away. I think this is a pretty good spot right here. Once I get the rest of that wood cleaned up on the other side of the wood bunker, we'll put a bunch more down there. But yeah, this should work out. This area right where these are sitting, I'll kind of have to keep my eye on these a little bit. It's not the best fill material there, but I think it should be all right till this fall, when this will all go away. But anyway, right now I need to run up to the house for a bit. Then I need to do some running around. Then when I get back, we're gonna load up the sawmill. Not the new sawmill, the old one, the Wood-Mizer LX150. And we're gonna get it ready to take over to concrete with the hosses tomorrow morning. And after that, I'm not even sure what else we're gonna do. We got a whole bunch of stuff planned today. We'll just have to see how much we get done. All right, just got back to the house. I dropped the dump trailer, hooked up to the deck over. This will work really well for hauling that sawmill over to Tom's. I need to get my landscape trailer out of the way. When they brought these 2 loads of firewood poles, I had a bunch of IBC totes and things in the way, and they called, said they're on their way. So I got all that moved, but not the trailer, but we'll take care of that right now. All right, slight change of plan. I think it would be easier to do this in 2 trips. Tom only lives about 10 minutes from here. I could fit everything on 1 load, but I would have to turn this way, keep it real tight to one side. It would be close, but I do think I could get it all in 1 load, but I'm just gonna take it in 2. The way I had that strap hooked up, it wasn't going anywhere, but I had no way of turning it. So I think we're just going to go with this right here. I'll give him a call when he gets home today. Maybe we'll run this over this evening, and then the rails in the morning. All right, I got it, got everything chained down real good. This right here is what keeps the head from sliding back and forth. I tightened them down real good. I think we're in good shape. I just called Tom. He'll be home in about an hour. So we'll run this over, and then I'll come back, load up the rails, and we'll take that over tomorrow morning, put it together. He's ready to go. He's already bringing a log with him. Swing it this way a little. All right, so we got the mill on the concrete. We need to move it in the morning when I bring the rails. We'll go over all that tomorrow.
I'm excited. I cannot wait.
Yeah.
I'm not going to sleep at all night. It's like a day before a big pour.
Yeah, you got a nice
morning.
I said, what was last Saturday I was over here.
Yeah.
He was looking around where to pour a pad and what.
Yeah, we were trying to figure out where to put it.
You text me like Monday, it's done.
Tuesday.
Or Tuesday, yeah. Ready to go. Well, right now, what are we going to do?
Okay, let's, well, we're going to talk about West Virginia. Get that project going. So let's go look at some stamps and make some decisions.
All right, that sounds good. Yep. Are these the new ones here?
Yeah, these are the new 16-inch wide rough cut bournewood.
Yeah.
Knots. And then also you can see sawmill marks.
Oh yeah.
In it.
Yeah.
Like if you look at it at the right angle.
Yep.
I love this pattern. We got this last year. We got this after we did your place. Mm-hmm. So we got these late in the season, and we've already used them a couple of times. This is going to be a big item this year. You're going to see a lot of it on the channel.
You got just a picture of one of this done, using this?
Yeah, up at Tom's, yeah.
Yeah, send me a picture of it.
Okay.
I'll put it in the video so they can see what this looks like.
Yep. And then we have our 12-inch wood plank. If you know what that looks like from your place.
Yep.
And then
I've actually argued with people when they see that at my place.
It's real wood. No, it's not. It's concrete.
I know.
I'm going to punch you in the mouth. No, it's concrete.
Yeah, I think it's what we'll go with down there for the patio area.
In the wood setting like that,
yeah,
it'll be sharp. You'll
like it down there. It is so quiet. No, we just have to find a place to get concrete down there. I think I know of a couple. And then I know the guy at the rental yard right over in Maryland, right across the border, so he knows everybody. You know?
Okay, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, I think we'll go with this.
All right.
So Tom and I were just talking. He keeps building buildings, but you still don't have enough room.
Still don't have enough room. So it sort of happened over 30 years.
Right.
So first round, I built a 30 by 60. Upstairs is my mechanic and my wood shop now in the upper. So that's mainly the mechanic area. Down here is storage, and we put this wing on. And again, what was I thinking? This is nowhere near big enough. This is for countertop production, and it's too small. But if we didn't have that, it would all be
right
in here. And so give you a quick rundown of what we got. I know it's messy. So this is our storage.
Right.
This is where I make my step liners. There's where I keep my rough cut lumber until I need it. Underneath it are step liners that I've made. All of our power washers, soft cut saws, jackhammers, all that gets put on shelving over there. You can see we're just busting at the seams. We don't have, you can't clean up in here because there's nowhere to put it.
Yeah, oh yeah.
So the guys do a great job. Like, we try and put it back where it goes, but everything has its spot.
Yeah.
So it's not clutter, it's just, that's the spot for it.
Right.
So Steve just finished up a big tabletop for a customer. So we can fit 3 or 4 good sized pieces of countertop in here at a time. Just, that's where we're at.
So you got a lot of square footage here too, between, you know.
We do a lot of stuff here. There's a lot of things going on.
Yeah.
So it gets filled up quick. And it was funny, a couple weeks ago, Caleb, my grandson, was in here. Pap, where'd you get all this stuff?
30 plus years. Yeah.
Oh. So that's what we got going on here. So loving every minute of it.
Good deal. Well, I'll see you tomorrow morning for breakfast.
Sounds good.
And we'll go from there.
Okay.
All right, we got the bed rails loaded up on the trailer. Got the forks off the skid loader. We're gonna dress things up down here a little bit with the tractor. That's one thing, the skid loader, it lifts anything I put on the front of it. Very, very powerful machine, but it does kind of tear up the gravel a little bit, which you'd kind of expect. Every once in a while you got to touch it up. But anyway, I think that's about it for today's video. This one was kind of all over the place, but you have that sometimes. I appreciate y'all being here, and I will catch you on the next one.